Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Constant Spring Road to Dunrobin Avenue. So we are currently on Constant Spring Road. Sorry, not Dunrobin, from Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree, where we will turn on to Hagley Park Road. So we are on Constant Spring Road now. We turn left, we go on to Shortwood Road, and that takes us back to the Grand Spend area. Turn right, we go on to Central Avenue, and that takes us out to West Avenue, where we can access Constant Spring Road or Washington Boulevard. But we're going to go straight and stay on Constant Spring Road. As you can see, Constant Spring Road was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, MIDP, and it was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they did an excellent job. I have to really also give credit to the government of the time. I have no idea which one it was, because this is a very busy road. It leads to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So it definitely was very good for this road to be a priority in getting renovated. Okay, I'm not sure why. No, this is a kind of indiscipline that just cannot occur. It's a two-lane dual carriageway, and you see the cars parked on the left. Totally parked in the road, taking up one lane. And you mean to tell me that no police, nobody don't come and say you need to move these cars? These cars should be towed. Unbelievable level of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. Unbelievable. Alright, we're now at the intersection with Dunrobin Avenue. So if we turn right, we take Dunrobin Avenue towards Washington Boulevard, and that's one of the major thoroughfares into and out of the city of Kingston. But we're going to go straight and stay on Constant Spring Road and head down to Halfway Tree, where we go on to Hagley Park Road. Alright, so at this intersection now, turn left, you go on to West Kings House Road. You can't turn right, only a left turn is allowed. But on the right is Marketplace, where you have a lot of restaurants and bars. Very popular place. And then we're now passing the Ministry of Justice on the right. It used to be Byron's Plaza over there, but it was renovated and it's now the Ministry of Justice. On the left we just passed King's Plaza, on the right is Savannah Plaza. We're just going to call out the name of some of the plazas, but as we said, Constant Spring Road has more plazas on it than any other road in Jamaica. And as we get into Halfway Tree, you're going to find a lot more plazas. Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. It has a Halfway Tree Transport Center, which is a major transportation hub in Kingston. It's the largest transportation hub in Kingston, and it has so many plazas, so we're just going to name them. On the left is 7th Avenue Plaza, then Lane Plaza, and then you have the Village, and then you have Mall Plaza, then you have Tropical Plaza, then you have Premier Plaza. On the right we just passed Burger King, and then you have Courts, then you have Twin Gates Plaza now. And then over there is a passport and immigration office, Pico. Over here is a flea market kind of thing. I don't remember. It's like a market. Okay, now over here you have the Springs, and there's a big KFC sign. Now these plazas down here are the only ones that do extremely well that don't follow the formula. It's because it's such a busy area. It's so populated with 250,000 people a day, and Jamaica has a population of 3 million. And let's just use the city of Kingston with a population of 1 million. So a quarter of the people in the city of Kingston pass through halfway through every day. You have Central Plaza on the right, and then you have Pavilion coming up on the right. And then where you see those big arches, that is the halfway tree transport center that we're talking about. Alright, today is a Sunday, so you're not going to see a lot of activity in Halfway Tree today, but during the week you can check the videos we have up on the channel. Very busy place. So if we go straight, we'd go onto Halfway Tree Road. We're turning right here and going on to Hagley Park Road, and you can't turn left because it's a one-way, but that road on the left is Hope Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments. Have a good day.